Hi guys, how is it going? It's your boy Don. So today I decided to show you guys how I make my music and do a quick home studio. I posted like a video like last week, got disliked because it was in black and white, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna make a proper video, show you the colors and all, because there's a lot of lighting going on as well downstairs. So with no further ado, let's get to it. To start off, I'm gonna show you guys like first where I live. It's like it's a 2-4 flat, and I live in the upstairs area, and downstairs that's where my studio is. I'll show you guys. So it's like this. This is the upstairs area. And then to get to the studio, you need to go down here. That's where I edit videos. That's like my fiancée corner, because she was getting bored at home, so I had to do something for her because I took the entire basement for myself. Yeah, there's this old ass mic. I'm planning on getting the newest one, like the MacBook, the iMac, the red color, the M1 one. It's really dope. Yeah, because like a couple of lighting going on there. This. And this, like, they call it aperture. Got my Google Chrome hooked on it. That's my girl. And this the rest of the basement. On that corner I have like a lounge area where occasionally I used to shoot music videos, like quick music videos. This place was flooded when we got it, like no one was using this basement. So we're like, alright man, why not? So I got my green screen going on down here. No, kind of office setup as well in here. So that's my green screen area. And I also have this corner right here. That's where I sit and have food with my friends. And then I have this bar right here. That's where the booze goes. Let me show you guys from this perspective here. It's pretty cool down here. So it goes like this. See? It's pretty big. And my studio is right there. Let me show you guys what it looks like. That's the door. I try to be creative in here. Let me know what you guys think about this logo. I might change it in the future though. And this is where the magic happens. Got a couch in here. 2 mics. A Rode NT1A MXL 990, the famous one. I got a projector down here and this net just to make it look clean. In here I got this MXL, I believe it's MXL 993. Let me fix it for you. MXL 993, yeah. And this one is like a UV light for, during the night. I like to turn it on so that it gives you that. Yeah, man, it's really dope when you're wearing a white t-shirt. I got this on card, I forgot the name. It was a cheap one, like a $50 one. I got this. And I got this drum from Alexis. It's called the Nitro Mesh Kit, something like that. Yeah, this rubber, but this not rubber. Like it gives you that original kick. I don't know how you call it, snares feel when you use it, when you snap on it. And there's this to control, the unique control from Alexis as well. And to monitor my thing, I'm using a DT990 Pro. Okay, I'm using this to mix my beats and this one to record. I mean, I'm the one wearing it while recording because this one is an open bag, so it's just leaking and you can hear everything on the mic, even if the mic is far from there, it's far there. And I have also this Yamaha, I believe E373 PSR. So this one, man, I'm telling you, if you make like R&B songs, Afro beats, even hip hop music, man, like this thing is is what you should go for. It has like 600 samples, and man, you'll be surprised what like a $250 keyboard can do for you. And I also have this Novation launch key and this Google. Yeah, that's the launch key, 49. And also my everything is hooked on Google. Like I can be like, hey, turn on the light, turn this light blue and everything, she does it. So as a monitor controller, I have this. It's a Alto ZMX52, so everything to control my monitor, headphone and all. I have this Focusrite, I forgot 2IO, 2IO1, something like that. And I also have this the beast right there. It's cheap, it's a headphone preamp, headphone amp I mean. Got 4 outputs and man, knobs. It's really cool, man, you should check it out as well. As monitors, I'm using KRK's GH5. I mean, they're enough for this kind of setup, you know. I don't have, it's not like a huge studio where you need like a lot of bass and shit like that. Sorry if I'm cursing. And I'm using this MacBook Pro i7 2015. It's like 258 gigabytes, but then it's hooked on this hard drive right there. It's 1 terabyte, pretty dope. And I also have this nectar. If I want to lead something real quick while making the beat in front of me, instead of turning around to reach those. And I'm also using, that's my old sound card, don't mind it. I'm also using this. So this thing right here is called, oh, where's the focus? Yeah, this thing right here is called, it's from Art Pro. So it's a power conditioner. This thing removes all the buzz, hums from the electricity and gives you like that clean studio vibe. Not vibe, like the signal is gonna be clean. That's what I meant. And I'm also using as a preamp. I'm using this DBX 286 from DBX. It's really dope. What this thing does, it's as the mic preamp is here. You got a phantom power, and also there's this option called, hold on, let me fix this. Yeah, all right. There's this thing called 80 Hertz high pass filter, man. This thing is really nice if you wanna clean all the background noise, not background noise, but all these extra bass reverbs from your room if it's not treated correctly. It has a compressor, a de-esser, is like an EQ, and then that's the beast option right here, man. This thing is called, it's the gate, man. Like, so this gate, what it does, it's, yeah, man, you can just turn off everything from the background and the mic is gonna come so clean, man. You have no idea how this thing changed my life. And also we have, yeah, that's it, man. In output makeup, and it's as compressor for my master chain. I'm using this Pro VLA2. You should check it out as well. It's a stereo compressor, pretty affordable. I love it. And I have this was my first guitar, man. I got it for like $70. Sounds good. I also have this Fender. Yeah, it's a Fender. It's an electric guitar. That's my pimp can. Because why not? And this one is my friend guitar, electric guitar. It's an LTD, man. This thing sounds so sweet, and the bass, like the tone and everything, is just wow. And I also have this acoustic guitar from Yamaha, nice, polished, with brand new strings. Man, this thing changed my point of view about guitars, man. Like, it sounds so good. I was like, electric guitars are the best, but after trying this, man, whoa. It's preamp, it's amp, I'm using a Vox Yeah, also a classic one with the leather. That's leather. That's the bathroom, man. I won't bring you guys there, but yeah, it's nice. I got a big mirror, and that's where I put everything. Yeah, and that's the couch again. Yeah, man, I think that's it. I'm gonna do a montage to show you guys like what it looks like. Again, I have this smart lighting there, smart tube as well, and one down here for the lighting, and of course this and that. This also a UV light, just to give me, yeah, man, you know what I mean. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. That was my studio. I hope you guys liked the video, and drop a comment, or yeah, man, ask me whatever question you want to ask about this setup. Maybe you planning on opening home studio on budget. So let's say I spent like around 7,000 to get all these things, man, but it was slowly. And yeah, man, let me know if you need any help from me. I'm gonna tell you guys what to do, and yeah, use my experience for your benefit, man. I'm here for that. Thanks you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Take care, stay dehydrated, and take care of yourself. Peace out.
Don G made another one.